Highs in the upper 70s. Lows in the mid-60s.
Look up Route 62.
Chance of precipitation 70%. Tuesday and Tuesday night, showers and chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of precipitation 90%.
Is going to come and go.
Wednesday and Wednesday night, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms.
That's been what's
highs in the lower 80s.
Storms is that they
lows
show
in the
the circulation
mid-60s.
that's gone. Then
chance of precipitation 70%.
Shows up. This
Thursday
is not,
and Thursday
again,
night, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms.
That
highs in the lower 80s.
Develop and drop
lows
a
in the
tornado
mid-60s.
on the ground
chance of
for a while.
precipitation 70%.
This is a setup to where
Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy.
Tornadoes,
A 50% chance of thunderstorms.
Damage can cause
highs in the lower 80s.
And because the
lows in the lower 60s.
did produce a possible
the National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for central Breckinridge County in central Kentucky until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
WBKO
Expected
live
hazards
stream.
include
So
flash flooding
if
caused by
you
thunderstorms.
are watching on Facebook
Source,
or on our live stream,
radar.
continue to do so.
The following
For
impacts
those
are
folks
expected. Flash
I'm watching
flooding of
programming
small creeks
tonight
and streams,
on
urban
ABC.
areas,
I'll send
highways,
you back
streets,
to
and
regular
underpasses,
scheduled
as
programming.
well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hardinsburg, Webster, Irvington, Harnett, Locust Hill,
All right,
Garfield,
thank you, Nate.
Kingswood,
Okay, we are back
Westview,
on our
Woodrow, and
WBKO
Southeast Reed.
live stream.
Turn
We're
around.
also on
Don't
Facebook
drown when
Live. I
encountering
wanted to
flooded
send the
roads.
television back
Most of flood deaths occur in
because
vehicles.
this storm is
Be
technically
especially
out
cautious at
of
night
our
when it is harder to recognize the dangers
true
of flooding.
television area.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded
And
roads.
so
The National
make sure
Weather
that
Service in Louisville has
we're still
issued a
giving
severe
viewers what they
thunderstorm
want on
warning
our
for
live stream and on
West
Facebook
Central
Live.
Nelson
But
County
we are
in
tracking the
central
storm.
Kentucky, North Central
Tornado
Louis
warning
County in
in effect
central
for
Kentucky,
Hardin County.
northeastern Grayson County
And
in
it's no longer in
central
effect for
Kentucky,
Grayson County. We
southwestern
do have a severe
Cleveland County
coastal
in
warning
central Kentucky,
on
Hardin
this
County
storm.
in central Kentucky
Now it's
until
just a
10:15
tornado
p.m.
warning
Eastern
that is
Daylight
in
Time
effect.
or 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Drop over to our
At 9:38 p.m.
Litchfield
Eastern
good.
Daylight
Litchfield
Time
is good.
or
Litchfield is in
8:38
the
p.m.
clear.
Central Daylight Time. Severe
So you folks in
thunderstorms were
Litchfield,
located
you
along a
are
line
good.
extending from 9 miles west
Litchfield's
of
in the clear.
Elizabethtown to
We're
11
watching
miles east of Litchfield,
Hardin
moving
County as
northeast
we
at
speak.
40 miles per hour.
Tornado warning in
Expected
effect
hazards
until
include 60 miles per hour with gusts
9:15.
and tornado possible.
So
This
folks
is a
out there
radar
into
indicated
Star
threat.
Mills over there
The
to
following impacts are
Eastview,
expected. Expect
White
damage
Mills,
to
if you've
roofs,
got family and
siding,
friends out
and
that
trees.
way. Southern
Locations
Hardin County,
impacted
just give them a quick text them to get in their safe zone.
Radcliffe, Vine Grove,
Wait for the storm to
Lebanon
pass
Junction,
on through.
Eastview, Longview, Belmont, Roanoke,
Tonight at
and
10,
Hansborough.
I would try to
Remain
get
alert
you
for a
that
possible
video that we
tornado.
got from Butler County
Tornadoes can
showing what
develop quickly
appears
from
to be
severe thunderstorms.
certainly a
If
spin-up.
you spot a tornado, go at once
And
into the
we
basement or
will
small
have
central room
to
in
figure
a
out from
sturdy
the weather
structure.
service if we
For your protection,
Had
move
any
to an
actual
interior
controlled
room on the
damage.
lowest floor of a building. The tornado warning for
But elsewhere, we don't
northeastern
have any
Grayson County is
real
canceled.
big weather
The tornadic
concerns.
thunderstorm
And
which
the
prompted
main
the warning has moved out of the warned
issue
area.
we're dealing with right now is this
Therefore,
tornado
the warning has been canceled.
But it's been kind of an
Now
odd
for the
day,
official
just
National
some
Weather Service
marginal
forecast
risk.
for
We,
South Central
like I said
Kentucky,
before, haven't
including the
had
Bowling
these
Green
robust
area.
storms by any means.
Tonight, showers and chance of thunderstorms
But they've
until
had
midnight.
enough
Dust showers likely
spin
and
on
slight
them.
chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
So
Lows
it's
in
just
the lower
it's one of
60s.
those sneaky days
South
where
winds
you
5 to
get
10
a
miles
spring
an hour
shower,
with
and
gusts
before you
to
know it,
around
you get
30 miles an hour.
a tornado
Chance of
warning.
precipitation near
And that's what
100%.
we've got right now in
Saturday,
Hardin County.
mostly cloudy
as the
with chance of
storm
showers and
continues
slight chance
to
of thunderstorms. Highs in the upper
move off
70s.
to the northeast at about 30
Southwest
miles
winds
per
5 to 10
hour.
miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the morning. Chance of
There's
precipitation
no hail
50%.
associated with this.
Saturday night,
And of course
partly
we got
cloudy
the
with a
gusty
20%
winds.
chance of thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly cloudy
It's not
after
looking,
midnight.
it looks like it's kind of
Lows in the
morphing a
lower
little bit, and
60s.
that's just because
West
it's going
winds
from
up
one
to
radar
5
site to
miles
the
an
other.
hour until midnight,
These
becoming
storms
light.
barely even have any lightning
Sunday,
on them,
partly
which is always
sunny.
interesting when you have
Chance of showers in the morning.
tornado-warned
Dust
storms
showers
without
likely
much
and
lightning.
chance of
They're not
thunderstorms in
the
afternoon.
big storms that are
Highs in the
building
lower
up into the
80s.
atmosphere.
South winds
That's
up
what
to
the
5
heat
miles
energy
an hour.
does. So you can have
Chance
low
of
top
precipitation,
storms that
70%.
spin. You just have a lot of shear.
Sunday
You just
night,
don't have a whole
mostly
lot of
cloudy.
instability.
Showers
And we've had
likely and
just
chance of
enough. I
thunderstorms
mean,
until
there's
midnight.
not a lot.
Then
There's not a
chance of
lot of
showers
wind
after
shear, but
midnight.
sometimes these storms just
Lows
take
in the
advantage
lower
of the little bit
60s.
that's there. And that's
South
what
wind
makes these
up to 5
forecasts tricky.
miles
That's
an
the
hour
reason why there
until
wasn't a
midnight,
tornado
becoming
warning
light.
in effect
Chance of
for
precipitation,
Butler County
70%.
with what looks
And now
to
the
be,
extended
maybe a
forecast for the radio listening
tornado
area.
trying to develop.
Memorial Day and Monday night.
Very,
Showers
very
likely and
tricky
chance of
today. But
thunderstorms.
we also knew if anything
Highs in the
would
upper
develop,
70s.
it would be brief,
Lows in the mid
not
60s.
going to
Chance of
be
precipitation,
something on the ground
70%.
for a long time.
Tuesday
But
and Tuesday
still,
night.
when you're
Showers
talking about
and chance of
tornadic winds,
thunderstorms.
you're talking about at
Highs
least
in the upper
70,
70s.
80 miles per
Lows
hour
in the
on the low end
mid-60s.
here.
Chance of precipitation, 90%.
The
Wednesday
tornado
and
warning,
Wednesday
again,
night.
if you're just jumping
Showers
on,
likely and chance of thunderstorms.
tornado warning does
Highs in the lower
continue
80s.
for Hardin
Lows in the
County
mid 60s.
until
Chance of
9:15.
precipitation,
You can see it's
70%.
10:15. That's Eastern
Thursday and
time.
Thursday night. Showers
Again, if
likely
you're in
and chance of
Litchfield, you're all
thunderstorms.
good. The storm
Highs
did
in
pass
the
by
lower
Litchfield.
80s.
Really no issues
Lows
in
in the mid-60s.
Litchfield.
Chance of precipitation,
There's
70%.
some other
Friday
locations
and
coming
Friday
out of
night,
far
partly cloudy.
northeastern
A
Grayson
50%
County.
chance of
And ended up
thunderstorms.
dealing with some
Highs
pretty
in the
good
lower
winds here.
80s.
We're starting to get more radar
Lows in the lower
interference,
60s.
so I'm going to stop. I'm
The
going to stop the
National
radar
Weather
here.
Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for central Breckenridge County.
If there's any of my weather people that watches, if there's any of my weather people from my weather group that's on this live right now, can you all share my live to my on the weather groups? If one of you guys is on here.
Additional
Yeah, it's
rainfall
still far
amounts of
enough.
0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible.
Because I'm unable to share this from my
Flash
phone.
flooding is ongoing or expected to begin
Yeah, you
shortly.
can kind of see it before. It would
Expected
generally
hazards
be in
include
this area.
flash
This is what
flooding
we're
caused
looking
by
at.
thunderstorms.
Right here. See, we kind of saw the couple
Source,
before,
radar.
now it's gone.
The
Anything
following
would be right
effects
here.
are
So Star
expected.
Mills
Flash flooding of small creeks
This is
and
where
streams,
the
urban
stronger
areas,
rotation
highways,
could be
streets, and
passing by
underpasses,
here
as well as
as we
other
speak.
poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will
So
experience
Star
flash
Mills, or
flooding
know
include
anybody around Star
Hardinsburg,
Mills,
Webster, Irvington, Harnett,
who
Locust
need to
Hill,
be in their
Garfield,
tornado safe
Kingswood,
zone.
Westview, Woodrow, and
Cecilia.
Southeast Reed. Turn
And
around.
this
Don't
rotation
drown when
will
encountering
likely
flooded roads.
pass around the
Most
south
flood
end of
deaths occur
E-Town
in vehicles.
as we go over the
Be
next 15
especially
to
cautious
20
at night
minutes or
when
so.
it is harder to recognize
And
the
we're not
dangers
expecting
of
anything
flooding.
bad in Burkesville or
Be
Bowling
aware of
Green.
your
Let's see that
surroundings and do
question.
not drive on
Okay,
flooded roads.
let's expand
Okay,
that
who's
before
watching
we
this
go.
right
The
now?
National Weather
Let's
Service
flip
in
back.
Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
You
for
can see we've
West
just got a
Central
few
Nelson
gusty
County
showers.
in central Kentucky,
These
North
will
Central
typically,
River County in
the
central
ones coming out of
Kentucky,
Logan and
northeastern Grayson
Butler
County in
counties.
central Kentucky, southwestern Bullitt County
But
in
it's
central
this that
Kentucky,
we're
Hardin
watching
County in central
over
Kentucky
there in
until
Hardin County.
10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At
So we
9:30
just hopping
p.m.
on
Eastern
the
Daylight
live
Time
stream
or
on
8:38
Facebook
p.m.
Live.
Central Daylight Time.
Wondering
Severe
what we're
thunderstorms were located
chatting about
along
here.
a
We've
line
got a tornado
extending
warning
from
in effect
9
for
miles
Hardin
west of
County.
Elizabethtown
So
to 11
this
miles
is
east of Litchfield, moving
technically
northeast
just
at
outside
40
of our
miles per
true
hour.
viewing area here.
Expected hazards include 60
But,
miles per hour with gusts
it
and
is,
tornado possible.
you know,
This is a
affecting
radar
people
indicated threat. The following
in an area
effects
that
are
we still
expected.
cover. We still
Expect
cover all the way
damage
up
to
to
roofs,
E-Town.
siding, and trees.
And so
Locations impacted include
it's not an impressive
Elizabethtown,
looking storm,
Shepherdsville, Radcliffe,
but
Pine
this
Grove,
storm,
Lebanon
this same
Junction,
storm,
Eastview,
I actually do, I'm
Longview,
actually going to loop
Belmont,
it
Roanoke, and Hansborough.
over the last
Remain
3
alert for a
hours.
possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from
And
severe
what's been
thunderstorms.
interesting is that
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or
thing
small
is
central
here,
room in a
this is
sturdy
right
structure.
here. It's
For
the
your
same storm.
protection,
It's just
move
one
to an
little
interior
storm
room on the
that
lowest
just
floor of a building.
managed to
The tornado
go
warning
for a
for
little bit. This is
northeastern
where it
Grayson
may have
County is
actually
canceled.
produced a
The
brief
tornadic
tornado in
thunderstorm which
Morgantown.
prompted the warning has moved
And
out
you
of
can
the
see the
warned area.
storm
Therefore, the warning has been
continuing up.
canceled.
That little
Now for
nub
the
right
official
there,
National
I mean,
Weather
that's
Service
where
forecast for south central Kentucky,
we
including the
possibly
Bowling
had some
Green
funnel
area.
clouds. And
Tonight,
now,
showers and chance of thunderstorms until midnight.
yeah,
Gun
it's
showers
really
likely
falling
and
apart
slight
here.
chance of
That's
thunderstorms
it
after
looks like it's
midnight.
really falling apart,
Lows in the lower
which
60s.
is obviously good
South
news
winds
here.
5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance
Yeah,
of
this is really
precipitation
kind
near
of
100%. Saturday,
falling apart in a
mostly
pretty
cloudy
big
with
way.
chance of showers and slight chance of
So
thunderstorms.
that's a good sign
Highs
there.
in the upper 70s. Southwest winds
Still,
5
tornado
to 10
warning
miles
does
an hour.
continue until
Gusts up to 30
9:15
miles an
here.
hour in the morning.
We'll
Chance
stay
of
with our live
precipitation
stream coverage.
50%.
And on Facebook Live until
Saturday
this
night,
morning.
partly cloudy
actually
with a 20%
expires.
chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Then
There's
mostly
also
cloudy
severe
after
thunderstorm
midnight.
until 10:15
Lows in the lower
on the
60s.
same storm.
West winds up to 5
And you can really
miles
see,
an hour
even
until
though
midnight, becoming
it's
light.
getting closer to radar, and sometimes
Sunday,
these storms just look
partly
different whenever they get closer to
Chance
radar.
of showers in the
It
morning.
definitely
Then
doesn't.
showers like
It doesn't
the
look
severe
like it has
thunderstorm warning for northeastern
that it did
Grayson County
before.
is canceled.
And not really
The
seeing a
storms
velocity
which prompted
couplet
the warning
anymore.
have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
But we
Now
still
for
have
the
some
official
gusty
National
winds,
Weather
very gusty
Service
winds with us
forecast
and
for
some
South
very
Central
heavy
Kentucky, including
rainfall
the
as
Bowling
well.
Green area. Tonight, showers and chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Then showers likely and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
Looks
Lows
like
in the
it
lower
looks like the
60s.
tornado warning. Yes, there we go.
South
Tornado
winds
warning
5 to
just
10 miles
canceled.
an hour with gusts to around
Still have
30
a severe
miles an hour.
thunderstorm warning
Chance
that
of
is in effect
precipitation
for
near
the
100%.
E-Town area, Hardin
Saturday,
County,
mostly
until
cloudy with chance of showers and slight
9:15.
chance of thunderstorms.
And there's still a
Highs in the
mention of
upper
the
70s.
possibility
Southwest wind
of a
5 to 10
spin-up
miles an
tornado
hour.
on us.
Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the morning. Chance of precipitation 50%.
But yeah, you can see
Saturday
it's
night,
just
partly
looking a little
cloudy
bit.
with a 20% chance of
more
thunderstorms
raggedy.
until midnight. Then mostly cloudy after
And of course,
midnight.
if we do get any
Lows in the
actual
lower 60s.
damage
West
reports, or
winds up
if
to
you
5
have
miles
seen
an hour
any
until midnight,
damage,
becoming
you
light.
can send those photos
Sunday,
into the
partly
WBKO
sunny.
First Alert Weather app.
Chance of showers
You
in
can
the
also
morning.
send them
Then
into our
showers likely and
First
chance of
Alerts
thunderstorms in the
Weather
afternoon.
Facebook page.
Highs in
You
the
can
lower
send them in
80s.
that way
South
as well,
winds
just
up
so
to 5
that
miles an hour.
we're aware
Chance of precipitation
of
70%.
what you're seeing.
Sunday night,
Because we
mostly
only get so
cloudy.
much information. We can look at
Showers
radar
likely
and
chance of
we
thunderstorms
can
until
even see
midnight.
video
Then
and
chance of
assume that there
showers
may
after
be
midnight.
some
Lows in
damage,
the
but
lower
until we get
60s.
actual visuals,
South winds
we
up
don't
to
necessarily
5
know.
miles an hour
So if
until
you do have
midnight,
any
becoming light.
pictures
Chance
of any damage that
precipitation
you've seen
70%.
as some
And
of
now
the
the
storms
extended
moves on by,
forecast for the radio
I think I saw
listening area.
one photo of
Memorial
some
Day and
damage
Monday
around
night.
Morgantown.
Showers
That could have
likely
been
and chance of
the result
thunderstorms.
of that brief
Highs in the
tornado.
upper 70s. Lows in the mid 60s. Chance of precipitation 70%.
But this storm, again,
Tuesday and
heading towards
Tuesday night,
E-Town,
showers and chance of
definitely
thunderstorms. Highs in
falling
the upper
apart here.
70s.
but still,
Lows in the mid 60s.
with the
Chance of
spinning
precipitation
nature
90%.
of the atmosphere,
Wednesday and
there's
Wednesday
definitely that
night, showers
possibility
likely and chance of thunderstorms.
that we
Highs in the lower
still have
80s.
some rotation. in there.
Lows in the mid 60s. Chance of precipitation
We're not expecting
70%.
like this.
Thursday and Thursday
This
night,
is it.
showers
Really on
likely
the
and
severe
chance
weather
of
threat
thunderstorms.
for us here in South
Highs in the
Central
lower
Kentucky.
80s.
I mean, this is it.
Lows
Everything
in the
else
mid
is
60s.
kind of falling
Chance
apart.
of precipitation
You can
70%.
see, yeah, we'll have
Friday and
a
Friday
few
night,
additional
partly
showers during
cloudy.
the night.
A 50% chance of thunderstorms.
But we'll
Highs
do
in the
all
lower
right.
80s.
Not good for you in fourth
Lows
cave,
in the lower 60s.
and really
The
for
National Weather
the
Service
vast
in
majority
Oregon
of
has
us.
issued a flash flood warning for central
Gusty
Breckenridge
winds,
County in
very heavy
central
rain,
Kentucky
pushing
until
through
11:30 p.m.
Hardin
Central
County,
Daylight Time.
and
At
specifically
8:30 p.m.
the
Central
E-Town
Daylight
area.
Time. Doppler radar indicates
We're gonna stay on.
producing heavy rain across
We're gonna
the
stay
warned
on for
area.
the severe thunderstorm warning because it's a tornado possible tag, and the tornado threat is probably still not over.
Around Morgantown.
Possible in the
So
warned
please
area.
send us
Flash
some
flooding
videos.
is
I'm
ongoing
checking our
So
orders.
we'll wait for this warning to completely end.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. The following impacts are expected.
But
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams,
I
urban
do
areas,
appreciate
highways,
anything
streets,
that
and
you
underpasses,
folks
as
send
well as
on
other
in.
poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hardinsburg, Webster, Irvington, Harnett, Locust Hill, Garfield, Kingswood,
Facebook is
Westview, Woodrow, and Southeast Reed.
Tricky to maneuver.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
It does sound like there was
when it is
part of
harder
the
to
roof was
recognize the
damaged
dangers of flooding.
in Butler
Be aware
County
of your
as a
surroundings and do
result
not
of this
drive on flooded roads. The severe
upward
thunderstorm
tornado.
warning for
No, the tornado warning's lifted. They just lifted it.
the storms which
Yeah, I think
prompted
I
the
did
warning have
see-
moved out of the warned
I did
area.
see a photo
Therefore, the warning has been
of
canceled.
that.
It's a severe thunderstorm warning,
Now
but the
for the
tornado threat is
National
still
Weather
there.
Service forecast for South Central Kentucky, including the Bowling
It's
Green
basically like a
area.
higher level severe thunderstorm warning, but with a tornado possible tag.
Until midnight, then showers
Doing some
likely
damage
and
to the
slight
roof
chance
there.
of thunderstorms after midnight.
I'm watching
Lows in the
WBKO.
lower 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour.
And the storm, again, they're saying towards 14 definitely falling apart. But elsewhere, yeah, we haven't, there's nothing that looks,
highs in the upper 70s. Southwest
deceiving.
winds 5
I mean,
to 10 miles
that's the
an
way
hour.
you can kind of put it with this one. They're
Okay, for what county? Did they just get a new one?
That gnarly until you realize that they do have
Saturday
some
night,
rotation
partly
apiece,
cloudy with a
yet
20%
not showing
chance of thunderstorms until
any
midnight.
sign
Then
of
mostly
Are they
cloudy.
live right now?
strengthening, not expecting
Lows
that.
in
Our
the lower
atmosphere is
60s.
stabilizing.
West winds up to 5 miles an hour until midnight,
But
becoming light.
you could still have
Sunday,
a
partly
few
sunny.
spots of heavy rain. So
Chance of
you're
showers
fine to
in
go
the
to
morning.
sleep. You're all
Showers
good to
likely
go
and chance of
to bed tonight.
thunderstorms
Don't
in
have
the
to worry
afternoon.
about any
Highs in the
additional
lower 80s.
showers, storms sneaking
South
on in.
winds up to 5 miles an hour.
We've got the severe
Chance of
thunderstorm warning that
precipitation,
continues
70%.
over there into
Sunday
northern
night,
Hardin
mostly
County.
cloudy. Showers
And that goes
likely and
until
chance of thunderstorms until
9:15
midnight.
here.
Then chance of showers after
But
midnight.
if you do have
Lows in the
any
lower 60s.
other damage
South
photos
winds
from
up to 5 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light.
either Butler
Chance
County
of
or
precipitation 70%.
elsewhere
And now the
here in
extended
South Central
forecast for the
Kentucky,
radio listening
please
area.
send them all
Memorial
in.
Day and Monday night.
I'm checking
Showers
some of our
likely and chance of
tornado
different
thunderstorms.
sources just to
Highs
see
in the
if
upper
we're
70s.
getting anything in.
Lows in
But
the
I did
mid-60s.
see, yeah, it looked like some damage
Chance
to
of
the
precipitation 70%.
final finish
Tuesday
building
and Tuesday night.
in Butler
Showers
County. I
and
will
chance of
post that
thunderstorms.
photo and also get
Highs
the
in the
video
upper
up showing
70s.
what looks to be an
Lows in the
actual
mid-60s.
tornado, a
Chance of precipitation
tornado
90%.
spinning up
Wednesday
as
and
it
Wednesday
passes
night.
over
Showers likely and chance
165
of thunderstorms.
in Butler
Highs
County.
in the lower 80s.
They just said a tornado was spotted in Butler County.
Chance of precipitation 70%.
But no more threat. These
Thursday and
threats
Thursday
are
night. Showers likely and chance of thunderstorms.
essentially over
Highs
for
in
a
the
vast
lower
majority
80s.
of us. Just still waiting
Lows
this
in the
morning out
mid-60s.
in
Chance of
Hardin County.
precipitation
And you can
70%.
see, yeah, the storm
Friday and Friday night.
not
Partly
looking great,
cloudy.
which is a
A
good thing.
50%
If the
chance of
storms don't look great
thunderstorms.
on radar,
Highs in
that
the
is
lower
a good
80s.
thing. We
Lows in the
want
lower
them to be
60s.
falling apart here.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a
Just
flash
checking
flood warning for
Does anybody-
central Breckenridge County in central Kentucky until 11:30 p.m. Central
Additional
Daylight Time.
sooners, anything
At
coming
8:30 p.m.
along.
Central
Hold
Daylight
on.
Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing
Let me go
heavy
and see
rain
what
across the
Louisville's
Warren
saying.
area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall
Where
amounts
is
of
it at?
0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hardinsburg, Webster, Irvington, Hart, Locust Hill, Garfield, Kingswood, Westview, Woodrow, and Southeast Reed. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in
What's
vehicles.
Channel 3 saying?
Be especially cautious
No.
at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of
Channel
flooding.
3 saying.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
They're just reissuing a new
The
one
severe
for Eastern
thunderstorm
side there.
warning for
So just
northeastern
FYI,
Grayson
for
County
Eastern
is
Shelby, I
canceled.
mean, we already have reports of some
The
rolls and
storms which
washed out,
prompted the
so
warnings have moved out of the Warren
that's a whole
area.
other issue. And I still think
Therefore,
flooding's a bigger
the warning
problem
has
at
been
night, guys.
canceled.
Not, hey,
The Louisville stations ain't showing tornado warning.
Forecast
That's
for
what
South
worries me.
Central Kentucky,
in the
including the
middle of the
Bowling
night like
Green
this, you
area.
just,
Tonight,
you
showers
just
and
can't,
chance of thunderstorms until midnight.
you can't track
Then
this
showers
easily.
likely and slight chance of thunderstorms after
track the tornado
midnight.
warning on the radar.
Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%.
9:15 here.
Saturday, mostly cloudy with chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s.
Are no
Southwest
no
winds 5
longer
to 10 miles an hour.
a additional
Gusts up to
threats
30 miles an
for
hour
the
in
rest
the
of us
morning.
as we
Chance
continue
of
into the
precipitation
night.
50%. Saturday
The
night,
storm again,
partly
kind of
cloudy with a
falling
20%
apart.
chance
You
of
can see over
thunderstorms
there
until
into
midnight,
Hardin
then
County.
mostly cloudy after
Still
midnight.
producing some gusty winds,
Lows
but
in the lower
the
60s. West winds up to 5 miles an hour
overall
until midnight,
threat
becoming light. Sunday,
is
partly sunny.
it is looking
Chance of
pretty
showers in the morning, then
low
showers
from
likely
that
and
storm
chance
as
of
it continues to fall
thunderstorms in
apart.
the
There's some
afternoon.
gusty winds right now
Highs in the lower
into
80s.
Elizabethtown. Still got some
South
rain
winds
showers
up to
pushing
5
through
miles an hour.
Litchfield. Then you can
Chance
see
of
some other
precipitation
locations. There's still got a
70%.
few of those
Sunday night,
isolated
mostly
showers
cloudy.
as well.
Showers likely and chance of thunderstorms
So with that, I'm
until
gonna
midnight.
wrap up this
Then
coverage.
chance of showers after midnight.
Since that storm
Lows in
over
the
there in
lower
Hardin County is
60s.
weakening, really not
South
showing
winds
much
up to
sign of
5
life
miles
left.
an hour
That's
until midnight,
good
becoming
news
light.
to some gusty winds
Chance of
around
precipitation
E-Town.
70%.
But I'm going to
And now the
end
extended
this coverage here.
forecast for the
Thank you
radio
guys for
listening
joining
area.
me tonight. We can all
Memorial
sleep
Day and
well.
Monday night.
We're looking good
Showers
as
likely
we
and
continue
chance of
through the night
thunderstorms.
and even
Highs
into
in
the
the upper
weekend. We'll just
70s.
have to dodge a few
Lows in the
scattered showers
mid-60s.
and maybe a couple
Chance of
of
precipitation
thunderstorms
70%.
later in the weekend.
Tuesday
All right,
and Tuesday
folks,
night.
sleep tight,
Showers
and
and
we'll
chance of
talk again soon.
thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Lows in the mid-60s.
So it's a little tricky.
Chance of
My
precipitation